probably do like 3/4 pound. For the three of us, it should be enough.
Okay, 3/4 pound of spaghetti.
Spaghetti, yeah. You can use linguine if you wanted to.
And a box is a pound, right?
A box is a pound. This one is a pound. It's 16 ounces.
Okay. So effectively 12 ounces of pasta.
You stir it. Because you don't want it to stick. Now this is very thin, so it's going to cook fast. So this one I'm going to do now, excuse me. I am going to put the oil on the stove. Turn it on. Wait until...
Again, this was the extra virgin olive oil. So you have to be careful because it doesn't respond too well with too much heat.
Yeah, but you want to heat enough. So we'll do this. I'll put about, I would say, I'll measure for you. Okay. I would say about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A 1/2 tablespoon of salt.
1/2 tablespoon of
1/2
salt.
tablespoon of salt. You stir it. You put the lid on so it comes to a boil faster. Okay, this is all we have to do. So
how do you know when to turn off the oil?
Well, because my pasta's ready, we're going to lower it a little bit. You see that it's it changes the texture of the oil. It becomes thinner.
Okay.
Okay, but it just you don't want definitely you do not want it the smokes.
So if smoke starts coming off the top, which kind of looks like steam, but it's
remove it quickly.
Remove it quickly.
Yeah. Okay, but this and this got to work together. So when we drain the pasta, the oil must be ready. So it may be a little tricky at first, but don't give up. Keep on trying. Okay, the pasta is cooked. We like it al dente. So I'll turn it off, go to the sink and drain it. But before I drain it, I like to save a little bit of the pasta water in a cup. And I'll explain to you why I'm saving that. So I'm draining it to save time. When it's just the family, just since it's Gina and I, now they were very hungry. You drain it, if there's just a little bit of water over the end like this, it's okay. So we put it back in there.
And I noticed you put another dish underneath. Why did you put a dish underneath?
Well, because I just want to keep that away from the sink. So
you don't want the hot water to go down the sink?
Now what we
cause
do,
some damage?
Yeah. What we do now here, we put
What is this?
This is the powdered garlic. And
So-
I put a good teaspoon, maybe a little more of a heaping teaspoon.
A good teaspoon. Is that an official measurement?
Well, a teaspoon that's kind of a little full
Okay,
over.
so
Yeah.
a heaping teaspoon of garlic powder.
Then, oh Lord, here we go with this. Another teaspoon of paprika.
This is the
Heaping
Hungarian
teaspoon.
paprika.
Yeah,
Is that a teaspoon or a tablespoon?
that's a teaspoon.
Teaspoon, okay.
You could put a little more, less of the other.
Okay.
Then I get my, where's my, I go over here and I get my oil.
Can you show us the
oil.
the consistency it is?
See?
Okay.
It's a little
So it's
greener
moving
than
around
that.
like water.
Yeah. So, and I pour it over, look here. Over, this cooks the garlic.
Oh.
See? It kind of fries it. Okay. And that's that. Then I get 2 quarts.
Now, may I ask why you pour the oil on top?
Because that's what cooks the paprika and the garlic.
How come
That's
you don't
what
put the garlic and the paprika in the
because
container?
they'll burn. They'll burn. If you put that in there, it will burn.
So by pouring the oil
Yeah.
over it, it's...
Hold on, not burning it. It will definitely burn. If you put, this in there, but it'll burn. If you put the cold in the hot, it will burn. So once I do this, I stir it very well. Okay. I add the parsley. It's very important that you add the parsley. It just the flavor comes in. Stir that again. See? Turn and toss. Okay, and then you put a generous amount of cheese. Cheese is according to your flavor, but it does need. So I have like 1, 2, and 3 heaping tablespoons of cheese. You could put less, you could put more. You toss it again. And now it starts to become a little bit drier. So that's when you add a little bit of this.
That's the water from the pasta, okay.
Yeah. And this is something that you eat it right away. It does not wait for somebody else. Okay, so here we're gonna serve. 1 serving for Gina and 1 serving for me. This is a little Italian serving.
An Italian serving.
It's a little Italian serving size.
Because the Americans don't understand what a serving actually is.
There. You could add more cheese on top if you like it. Welcome to we do.
Madonna, God bless.
This is Mama's serving.
Abbondanza.
Abbondanza. We left a little bit for Dad over here to let him taste.
To let him taste.
Yeah. This is about 3/4 of a pound of pasta. But we're not having nothing else now, so, and we're so hungry. We have worked hard today. So, and there it is. This was peasant food a long time ago. Actually, there's another story too, but I don't like to tell that story. It started in Naples.
And we're hungry.
Should I tell the story?
Well, we could tell the story afterwards.
Okay. All right, so buon appetito. Pasta Aglio.